Hey guys, we're gonna do another video. Oh, another video. Comment down below if you guys want to do this. Or like my thing. Or head. And comment down below if we should do more firework videos. I know I never do any firework videos. So I'm just introducing the fireworks. Look at the box. Number 1 is Warhead. This is a picture. Number 2 is American Chief. I don't really know how it sounds like, but and my cousin has a larger tube. It's kind of like this tube that me and my brother made for firecrackers. And he broke it with duct tape and I don't know what they're called, so there you go. It's kind of like this too, but bigger, a bigger hole and bigger thing, bigger bottom and bigger fireworks. So compare this to these two. This one, these two.